Hey, welcome back to Cool Kids Art, and let's draw a pickaxe in Fortnite. This time it's the hack and smash. So here's my full pencil sketch, and then right after this I'll show you guys how to draw this line by line with a sharpie. Alright, so let's draw this, and here is my pencil sketch. I really like the oversized hammer. It actually looks pretty cool in the game. Alright, so let's start out with the hammer, and this one is very easy to draw. The only thing tricky is that we're drawing at an angle. For this one, we're just gonna draw in pretty much a rectangle here, but at a slant. So just come across, and then we're gonna make the bottom a little bit wider. And we'll close that off. Okay, so that's gonna be the handle for the hammer. So now I'm gonna extend this line right here. And we're gonna draw the head, so we're gonna just slant up following this same direction here. Okay, and then right here, I'm gonna come across. Again, same slant as this, but a little bit longer. Come back down, same as this. And then right here, just kind of come down a little bit with a slant and then connect that. So just a little dip right there. All right, and then from here, just add one little tip right here. So I'm just gonna extend these lines going out and then close it off. Okay, so let's draw the tip of the hammer right here on the bottom first. From the corner, just slant inward, and again, we're gonna close it with the same slant as this. So just try to keep all your lines going this way. Okay, I'm gonna extend it. And then coming down, we're gonna flare it out. It's gonna be a little bit wider. And then again, just close it. And then on the very bottom right here, I'm just gonna add a little rectangle. Okay, and then on this side right here, I'm gonna start on this corner. Just curve. And then whatever curve you have here on the tip, just come back in. Okay, and just close everything off. Alright, so that's the hammer, and yeah, the other one's a little bit easier, this little blade right here. Let's start out right. Here's the length of the hammer right here. Just start out right about in the middle. Just draw like a little cross section line. Okay, so this one's a little bit shorter right here. So again, it's gotta be another rectangle, but there's a slight curve to it. Okay, so that's the handle, and now for the blade. Just gonna draw one little line and just go all the way across. And then start on this side right here. I'm just gonna follow this curve. Just go all the way up. And then I'm gonna draw in the same slant as this, the one on the bottom. But it's gonna be a little bit longer. And then now we just kind of zigzag all the way across. A couple of big zigzags, and then on the bottom right here, there's some smaller ones. Just go all the way down and connect it. Okay, and then right here, this one's easy. Just draw a little circle. And then right here, there's gonna be two screws right here. Just two small circles. And that is it for this very simple hack and smash pickaxe in Fortnite. Hope you guys like the way it turned out, and if you do, please do give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't, and I will see you next time.